हेलो स्टूडेंट्स इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे सिलेबस। ठीक है, कवर मतलब पूरा ख़त्म नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन विल जस्ट गेट टू नो कि व्हाट इज़ द सिलेबस इन चैप्टर 2 ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, राइट, साइंस. So let's begin without wasting any time. So the name of the chapter is acid, bases and salts, right? Let's come to the first point. Now here is the first point. It is acids. Acids means you need to give the introduction of acids. Now what are acids, right? With few examples you need to do it. Next are indicators. Now what are indicators? With few examples, right? Okay, now litmus solution. What is litmus solution? Litmus solution and its utility, I mean where it is used. Okay, so next point is bases. We need to introduce bases. What are bases? With some examples or utility, you must say. Okay, next is the acid base indicators. Now acid base indicators, where are they used and what are they? What are the acid base indicators and where are they used? Okay, so next one is precautions to be used while handling acids in labs. In labs means laboratories, right? What are the precautions that we should use while handling the acids in labs, laboratories? Now next one is advantages of acids. Now, well, we all know that till here, I mean, we should be able to know that what are acids. Now here we are discussing what are the advantages of acids. Where are the acids used, right? The next one is mineral acids. Fine. Then comes organic acids, concentrated acids, synthetic indicators. Now reaction of metals with dilute HCl. Okay, now I must tell you dilute. What is dilute? Dilute is to weaken something, right? To decrease the magnitude of something, or you must say decrease the power or thickness of something. So here it's the word is used, dilute. So reaction of metals with a dilute means weakened HCl, right? Okay, now we'll in the next point we'll study about salts. Common characteristics of acids: hydronium ions, ionization, universal indicators. Indicators where we can use with anything, right? So that is called universal indicator. Now pH scale. pH, many questions you will find about this. What is pH and what is the role of pH, and introduce of the pH scale. Where is the least pH scale and where is the highest pH scale, and what are the effects of weakened or low pH scale and high pH scale. Now pH paper, where it is used. Okay, now relation between H plus concentration and pH, right? Okay, now here you should also study about the relation between these two. Next comes pH of bases, right? It means that was the pH level of the bases. Now applications of pH in our daily life. Okay, now nature of the soil for crops. Now what is the nature of the soil for crops, for specific crops? Okay, then comes strong acids, right? Strong acids. Okay, next comes weak acids. Okay, then after that is neutralization reactions. Okay, I mean in this here we will study about the neutralization reactions. Then comes the examples of neutralization reactions, right? Then comes types of salts and displacement reactions here, and after displacement comes chemical in common salt. Okay, so next are the uses of common salt, where we use the common salt, right? Next comes manufacture of sodium hydroxide. Manufacturing of sodium hydroxide we'll study in this point. Next you need to introduce washing soda, effects of washing soda, properties of washing soda. Next are the uses of sodium carbonate, baking soda, properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate and uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then bleaching powder, formula of bleaching powder, uses of bleaching powder, properties of bleaching powder. Now this here I have told you this, uses of bleaching powder. Then POP means plaster of Paris. We'll study about this in the formula and the uses. And then comes properties of plaster of Paris, then uses of plaster of Paris, then uses of mild bases, water of crystallization. And here the the checklist, all the syllabus ends here. for the second chapter. If anybody is having doubts, can call me upon my number or can comment me in the comment box. Thank you.